I'm unfamiliar, acting brand new, like you never knew that you liked them thick. I've been carrying this weight in the world beneath these braids, and I'm confused. Would you take the pain that came with all the parts you wanna claim for you? You want my thighs, you want my stride, but not this melanin. You want my hair, but you don't care for this complexion. I'm a black woman. I'm a black woman. Cornbread fed, sweet tea sipping, Nubian queen with the skin that glistens. I'm a black woman. 16 sitting on a cold floor in the corner after school, recovering from your cover-up when you told me I wasn't right for you. It wasn't hard to believe, 'cause when I watch TV, I would never see a leading lady look like me. Familiar package with less pigment, I ain't ignorant, it's just reality. You want my thighs, you want my stride, but not this melanin. You want my hair, but you don't care for this complexion. Oh, I'm a black woman. I'm a black woman. Cornbread fed, sweet tea sipping, Nubian queen with the skin that glistens. I'm a black woman. The world tells me there is space for me if I cinch it up and I sew it in. The world tells me it'll all be mine, with some lashes on and some lighter eyes. The world tells me it'll work for me if I let them do a little surgery. The world tells me it'll change for me with some longer nails and some lightning cream. But I'm a black woman. Lose myself to prove myself. 'Cause I'm a black woman. Too good to hide these. 'Cause I'm a black woman. 'Cause I'm a black woman. You keep falling for the wrong time. No, I'm not saying you should be mine. I'm just promising you good times. I just wanna show you good vibes. Don't trust man, don't trust woman. Don't trust your heart, you never should've. 'Cause you left your heart in LA. You left your mind in Paris. Traded emotions in for cocaine. Maybe it's right, but just the wrong time. Maybe love's something you won't find. You've been searching for a long time. Now you wanna move on with your life. Don't trust man, don't trust woman. Don't trust your heart, you never should've. 'Cause you left your heart in LA. You left your mind in Paris. Traded emotions emotions and for cocaine. 'Cause you left your heart in LA, you left your mind in Paris, trading emotions